How can we use symmetry in Affinity? So in Affinity, symmetry is not bound to your project, your paper. It's more like a feature for certain tools. So if I head to pixel mode and select a regular brush, I will see there are some symmetry settings here at the top. And I can turn it on and I will see this line here. This line can be moved. This line can be rotated. Hold Shift for perfect rotations. And then if I try to use the brush on one side, I will get a symmetry mirror. Of course, we can make adjustment here, like mirror. So it's got the same direction. We can add more lines, let's say 2. So now I'm doing this on all of those areas. But this is very much bound to this one tool. So if I now want to use a different tool, I will need to look into symmetry options and check that they are supported. So I'm still in the brush tool because this one is called eraser brush. So all of those symmetry settings are still working with this tool as well. So if you stay with brushes, it's fine. What if I now select a pen tool, a vector pen tool? Look, I lost my option for doing a symmetry mirroring because this tool do not support that. So that's one thing we have learned. All of the brushes got symmetry options here at the top, but other tools may not have that. There's one workaround. First, we just need to draw a shape. All right, and then I'm going to turn this shape into a symbol. Head to Vector menu at the top and select Create Symbol. You will see this orange-red line here. Now I can just copy the symbol, Command C, Command V, copy and paste. I will flip it. Alright, and now if I'm making changes in one symbol using a vector pencil, so if I'm making changes in one symbol, all of that it's copied automatically to another symbol. So it's not a symmetry tool, but we can use it as a symmetry tool because I make a copy of the symbol and flip it. So that's your workaround. So pixel brushes come with settings for that. And for vector stuff, you need to do a symbol and flip it. And everything that you do in one symbol will be duplicated in another symbol automatically. That's how you can do a symmetry in Affinity. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.